What's crack YouTube? Irish Silverstack here, and I hope everybody's week is going well. Well, I got an early Christmas present. So this was sent to me by a company called Tauruscamp. Now, I'd approached them a couple of months ago interested in one of their wallets, and I wanted to do a wallet review on it. So this company, they sent me this, but they wanted me to do an unboxing as well as a review. So I said, no problem. So this company is called Tauruscamp, and they make leather goods. And this is one of and everything that they do is handcrafted. So this is one of the wallets that they make. And if you want to go check it out, you can see how it's made on YouTube. They have a couple of videos up. But this unboxing is just to show everybody how it actually comes to them. So it comes in this neat little bag, and then of course inside the bag, wrapped up in this paper, is our wallet. So just ripping off the sticker there and taking off the paper, you can see the wallet is finished in a brown. Now there's different colors, you can check that out on the website. I'm going to get into all that in the actual review, but for now this is a nice natural leather finish to the wallet, and it's, you know, it comes very, very, very well put together. With the bag, and of course wrapped in the paper. What we'll do is we'll flip the camera around and we'll have a proper look at it, try kind of close up. Okay, so I mean, initial thoughts about it. It looks great. It's very smooth, it's well finished, and of course it has the company logo right up at the top there. That's kind of stamped into it, and it has the little stitching on the bottom, which is really nice. Yeah, you should go and check out, see how it's made on YouTube, because it really is something else. But yeah, I'm liking the look of that. So again, we have the little button there, and when you open that, in the inside you got the first compartment there. Now if you look, that goes through to this other side, and that's where you can keep your notes. Now somehow there's easy access to the notes. I think you just flick it out through there, and then it comes out the other side. We'll look at that more in the review. In here we have a card holder, and thank you, Brendan. Well, that's very nice of you. So we'll just pop that back so you can fit more cards in there, but we'll look at that again. And in here, this is cool. So this is where you can put your coins. Of course you can put your keys and other stuff like that, but it's nice to have somewhere to put coins if you keep a lot of coins. And then the back, we have another spot for cards, so you can put other cards that you want. There's the company name yet again, handmade with care. And then on the back here, if you want to look at all that other stuff, you can pause the video and have a look. Again, I'm going to go into more information about all of this, and there's all the contact details for the website, and of course where it's made and all that other good stuff. So, you know, like I said, I'm going to go into more information about it in the proper review. I was trying it for about 3 weeks to a month, and then I do a full review on it. So there you go, guys. I will chat to you soon. Have a look. I'll leave a link down in the description for all of that stuff. Take it easy. Have a good one. Bye bye. Connect with me on social media, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Subscribe to me here on YouTube. And if you liked what you've seen, you can see a lot more videos. Just click on any of them here on the screen.